Dear friends, today Wonder Tips channel brings you a very good video on garment manufacturing. As you know that the basic requirements of a person's life are fooding, clothing and housing. So we are touching today garmenting. As you know, we all wear garments of various designs, various varieties, some t-shirts, some lowers, some other pullovers, track suits. So all the things are made in India and other countries also. I will be telling you about the process, how it is made. First of all, we make fabric from yarn. Yarn is a very lightweight, long in length, which is used in warp and weft in woven. And if we go for t-shirts, then it is making knitted fabric. So knitted fabric is then dyed by sending over to process house. From process house, with some standard parameters, we get fabric in the factory, which you will see in different stages of my photos. So dear friends, after coming to department, we get the fabric, we do some testings like shrinkage, color fastness and rubbing fastness and some other technical steps. After passing through that test, the fabric is given to the cutting department. Cutting departments cuts the fabric according to the pattern made by the designers of the company and requirement of the market. Suppose we will take the case of t-shirts. So round neck t-shirts cutting will be done, and then it is sent for embroidery or printing, whatsoever is the requirement of the party. Then it goes into the sewing section. From stitching, then it is going on different machines and goes to final packing. From packing, it is sending, say, for thread cutting, then pressing, quality checking, stitching quality, and lot of other parameters which we are checking. After that, we are packing it according to the requirement. Hence, we see that the thread is making fabric, fabric to dyeing, dyeing to again factory, then with different positions and steps in the factory, we get the t-shirts. This t-shirt, according to various parameters and quality of the fabric, it ranges from 75 rupees to 3000 rupees in the market. You will ask why the rate is so low and high. Dear friends, I tell you here, original cost of the t-shirt is not more than, say, 75 to 200 rupees in round neck. Rest depends on value addition, whether you are going for heavy embroidery, light embroidery, some special printing or like that. Otherwise, it is going, say, 75 to 200 rupees. But then branding is taking place and different brands are giving margin to the franchisee, taking the overhead expenses, then it costs too much. We cannot say that only branded items are better, because the companies who make for the brand, they are making for their self also in the market. In their quality, they make only, say, 100 rupees a piece, and if it is a brand, little bit parameters and sizes specifications difference, then it costs you 500 rupees or 1000 rupees or 2000 rupees, 3000 rupees. So it is up to you to choose a brand and non-brand. Non-branding, we cannot say that it is a poor quality, but it takes experience to judge and recognize which one is better. So, dear friends, I think I have given you the inputs how we get. And one time, what happened? One of my relative told that I am wearing only branded. Then I showed him in some cities like Tirupur or Delhi that where company is making their own brand, at the same place they are making for some branded quality, and difference is same, which I have explained. So I don't say that you should not go for brand, but definitely there is huge difference of profitability because the chain is longer in case of branded products. So I hope I have covered. Next time I will be covering some other like polo t-shirts or trousers. So if you liked my video, then like it, share it to your friends and subscribe it. Thank you.